I see some books. The front looks like it. The corner looks like it. Looks like it's kind of like a rectangle. But
how did they change the color?
yes, and this right here, these right here, look like look like rectangles. And
Well, even though it looks like they're trophies.
and here I see some plates,
and
they look
not golden, silver, and they don't really look a bit golden.
and they look these
These
plates look like a pattern. So I'll tell you the pattern: red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow.
I see the plates
So
are in the pattern.
the next thing I see are these glasses. These cups. They actually look like glasses. They're made from glass, but sometimes sometimes they easily can break. So you can see these right over here.
You are not recording it.
And sometimes this is what?
I see right over here at the fruit. It looks like kind of like a pattern because you can see. So actually, they're numbers. So this is actually look like 6. And
It kind of looks like
but the bananas have 3 of them, so it's really easy. And the carrots have 3 too. So this is kind of like a little
It
pattern.
might be a fruit stand to me.
So the next thing I see is
And this,
these owls.
looks like
They're kind of like
a
they're different colors. Like there's white. I see lots of colors. It's like white and black, brown. You know, white with black. So yeah, this is all about it. And I see some cat right in the background, right there. Yeah. But right over here, it looks like kind of like junk.
I'm off.
So it looks kind of like garbage, but it's actually sometimes useful. So sometimes it's useful because when you see these, you should see that it's kind of useful. See, there's a roof because there's a house in the background. So the next thing. This looks kind of like a roller coaster, but it looks like a big brick. So I think they look one of them say, but it kind of looks like boats. It looks like boom. They just swing around, swing, like that, you know? So you need to get an iPad, guys. Guys, you gotta get an iPad.
Stop at 2 and you just missed the first one and then the second.
Yeah.
Different plan. Okay.
And I see that. The next thing is I see this looks more like a roller coaster. You see that it's hanging. It's like a wrecking ball, but it kind of looks like a little bridge to go with a car under there, like a tunnel. And the next thing I see is this. These are not junk. These are tools. You can see that there are many tools, but there are scissors too in the background.
I wonder why.
And the next thing I see is it's these cats.
And a
They actually have. It's actually a stone. It's like rocks, but it's only like it's made from wood. The bridge, I mean the bench, is made from wood, but the cats are made from glass. So altogether, it's like glass with wood.
What do you see? What do you think? And what do you wonder? So what do you see? What do you think? And what do you wonder?
Okay.
That's what I have to do. So thinking and wondering.
I said that right. Okay. So where was I? Of the cat. They have pointy ears, but this under them is actually grass. But if you look very closely on the fruit, you can see that there are lots of numbers.
And this is not a pattern. I see frogs on a shelf.
See, like there's juice coming up.
I think my
And I
think that this bird is full of hens, and this library is full of lots of books. And I think that at the library you have to be quiet because other people are working. But what if these people?
yeah, and I see that the fruit are kind of like boom,
What
boom.
happens if they're not working?
Yeah, so if you look very closely, you'll kind of see that there are lots of items that are kind of in a pattern.
Okay, you can stop the recording and you can stop your recording.